Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today I want to share with you how I store my page kits. So if you've been following me for the past few months, you know I've taken a lot of my paper pads and collections and have converted them into page kits. And what you see in front of you is the results of all of that. So I'm going to change the camera angle because this isn't the best for viewing this, and we'll see exactly what I did. So here is my current storage solution for my page kits. Yes, my desk is a mess. I'm in the middle of doing multiple projects, and I am not an organized crafter, meaning I don't craft neatly. I have stuff everywhere. Just the way I roll, and yeah, it is what it is. So I have one of these bins from, well, I purchased them from Target. They're, I think, about 13 inches wide, and that's really all that mattered to me. And basically, I have put all of these kits in the basket, and in the back I put a piece of chipboard just to provide some support. If you can find any bin that's at least 12 inches wide, this would probably work. Now, this usually is, let me see if you can see, usually this is situated over here, and I don't pick this up. It is extremely heavy. For the interest of filming this, I did move it, but it's heavy. I would probably use the same multi-purpose bins that you can get at the Container Store, the same ones I used for my 12 by 12 storage, as a way to house these. But I have this now and it works, and it may be that if I need to expand into more, that might be the route I go. But for now, I'm just going to use what I have and go from there. You'll notice across the top that I have tabs, and basically what I've done is any of the kits that I've put together, I put the inspiration sheet in the front, as well as an 8.5 by 11 piece of copy paper, and that designates where the kit starts and then where the next one starts. So I know that this here was intended to be one kit. This is not my original idea. This I got from Janet over at RTS, and so far it's been working well. So the first section here, probably about up to this, these are all sporadic kits. Like, they're just kits from my stash. They're not from a particular pad or anything like that. And I did group them into sections. So this first one here is like more geometric kind of thing, you know, non-specific, very generic. Then I have an animal section and a floral and travel and winter. So that's all I have in here. So far that's working. And then you'll see that names of the manufacturer and the name of the pad. And for the most part, what I tried to do was keep the cover or the back cover from the paper pad, whichever I had kept, and use that kind of as a preview. I know from here to here that this was all this Perry and Peach pad, so that if I want to do a multiple layout using the same papers, I have them coordinated and together. I also tend to remember, for the most part, what each paper pad kind of its look and feel, so it's okay for me to store it like this. Sometimes, like I have here, I have jelly bean soup, and all of these are jelly bean soup kits, not necessarily from the same collection, which is why I just used a generic manufacturer name. And these are alphabetical. And that's pretty much it. I kept it as simple as I possibly could. This way I can, you know, flip through a particular area, just quickly flip through, see if anything catches my eye, pull it out, and use it for a layout. I'd be curious to hear from you how you store your kits. If you're making paper kits, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're up to. And I'm sure others would be interested as well. Thanks again, everybody, and until next time, happy crafting and happy organizing.